Up. See, bird sanctuary is up in the sky. Get it, Gretel? That's why the arrow's up.
Oh, I didn't get that. I thought that was...
No, you're there. It's there. The bird sanctuary's closed. That's what that.
It doesn't say that on the sign.
It should say that outside. No, look, all that fencing there.
It says open.
Huh.
You're trying to tell me it's closed. It says open.
Oh shit,
There's
the bird
somebody
sanctuary's
walking in
open. Huh, I just thought it was closed. Oh, Gretel, bird sanctuary's open.
How do they make sure the birds stay in the sanctuary? Wouldn't the bird sanctuary be anywhere? Clip their wings.
Oh, you're right. Everywhere there's sky, man, is a bird sanctuary.
Hi, you did.
Oh, did you take edibles before this hiking? And
Do you see my pants?
They're really good for running.
oh man. All right.